2023 BMW M 1000R First Look. The 50th anniversary of M models. BMW's leader bike Roadster gets the M treatment this year, as the 2023 BMW M 1000R is born as part of the 50th anniversary of M models. Based on the S1000R naked bike and M1000RR superbike, the new M1000R means the Germans are getting even more serious about real-world motorcycle performance. BMW isn't shy about the new MR's intention. Press photos shot burnouts and backing it in on public roads. Let's see what it's all about. The 2023 BMW M 1000R puts out a stunning 40 horsepower more than the S1000R. BMW retuned the S1000R for the street compared to the track-ready S1000RR. The M1000R is here for the riders who absolutely demand pure superbike performance in a naked upright sportbike. That means 205 horsepower at 13,500 revolutions per minute and 83 ft-lbs of torque at a lofty 11,000 revolutions per minute. The rev limited kicks in at 14,600 revolutions per minute on the M, compared to 12k on the BMW gears the M1000R down compared to the RR. The R gets a couple of extra teeth on the rear sprocket, plus shorter gear rations for 4th through 6th gears. You don't need racetrack top speeds on the street, so BMW trades top speed for harder acceleration. The RR will break 186 miles per hour, though BMW doesn't like to say how much, and the R is good for only 174 miles per hour. Along with lower gearing comes improved high RPM performance. BMW has tweaked the variable intake funnels to favor better flow at the highest revs. At the other end, the muffler is titanium. Thanks to 7 rider modes, you get to choose how aggressive the motor is. There are 4 preset street modes: race, dynamic, road, and rain, and 3 race pro track modes. Race mode means optimal, as BMW puts it, throttle response and torque production in all 6 gears. Dynamic retains the optimal throttle response designation, while backing off torque production in lower gears. Road also is imbued with optimal throttle response as it reduces low gear torque production further. Rain means a soft throttle response and even less torque in lower gears. Wheelie control is adjustable in the 4 street modes. The Race Pro modes allow the rider to fine-tune each of the 3 track modes to a razor's edge, and it adds another throttle response curve. In the 3 Race Pro modes, you can choose direct throttle response for the most aggressive riding. Adjustments can be made to traction control, engine braking, ABS, and slide assist. Other aids include launch control and a speed limiter for pit lane. A quickshifter is standard, and BMW tells us the shift pattern is easy to reverse for track use. Finally, a 6-axis IMU tells the electronics package precisely what the motorcycle is doing. This information allows the rider aids to work most effectively.